I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. This is your girl, Yoli, and you're watching Lifestyle with Yoli. So, if it's your first time over here on my channel, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. If you like it, even a little over here, just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification bell on, give your girl a thumbs up, and interact with me in the comment section. I love interacting with my subscriber. I love seeing your comments. Okay, so my subby them know that I love to interact with them. So if you decide to join the family, just interact with me in the comment section and share the vlog. Sharing is caring. Share to whoever you want to share to. Share. And for my real subby who still sticking with me, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys. So guys, today your girl is doing a little unboxing. Yes, guys. So I got myself a little something. This is actually my birthday present to myself. However, I didn't buy it until Black Friday. So this is my little birthday gift to myself. And so I had to come on and open it with you guys. And this is my little Shein haul. I've never shopped on Shein before. So I said, let me try, with a little something to see the quality and what I would get. I've seen a lot of influencers like shopping on Shein. So I'm like, okay, let me try machine she out and see, if I, like their stuff, even though this is not like a clothes, this is actually like, like an item. But yeah, may I check out, maybe next time me try, something else. So anyways, guys, before I start the unboxing, I need you guys to tell me how I'm doing with the Vlogmas vlogs. Are you guys liking them? Is there anything else you guys would want to see me do that I'm not doing? Guys, let me try. I hope you guys are really enjoying those vlogs, because guys, it takes time, it takes time to create those. So make sure you guys are watching, liking and commenting and sharing. That's all. That's not too much, right? That's not too much. So anyways, guys, without any further hesitation, let me get into it. Yes, so guys, guess what's in here? Let me open the box. Let me open the bag. Let me check it out. Guys, your girl got herself iPhone 16. Yes, guys, I got myself the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, guys, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Guys, I have this phone. I've gotten it from Black Friday. I'm saying, no, I have to open it with my subby them. I have to show them when we get. So this is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, this Desert Titanium. So Desert Titanium, and it's the 256 gigabyte. And I wanted the highest storage, but this was all they had available on Black Friday, and I literally got the last one. Yes. So I have right here the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Yes. So your girl got a little upgrade. Yes. So let's open it, guys. Let me see if I can put the camera a little lower. I don't know if it's gonna cut off my head. I might just have to go out a little. Yeah, that's better. Come on, you guys see what me I do. Yeah, and it was kind of up here. I tried to sit over there, but the lighting wasn't lightning. It was a lightning. The lighting was really, really bad. Let me see if I can I don't know if that made a difference, guys, but oh well. I think it made a difference. Okay. So guys, let's unbox, let's unbox, let's unbox, let's unbox. Hey, hey. Okay, guys, let's rip this. Ooh, 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 ooh. And guys, you know, I'm not thinking much different from the, ooh, look at this. Hey, God. You like it? Ooh. Child. So guys, you know Apple only give us the cord. They don't give us the base anymore. That's crazy.
Got another cord?
No, sir. No, sir. Guys, they don't give us no charging base. Only what? Only like MacBook, iPad, and those devices. They give you what you call it? They give you the base. They give you a base. Aren't you gonna eat lunch or eat breakfast?
No.
Why?
I don't have time.
You do have time.
I don't. It's 1:30.
I'll give you your phone in 10 minutes. So guys, this is it here. This is it. Let me see if there's a plastic. No, there's no. There's the. You guys, you know I know why it's so dark. Oh my goodness. Look. Akon, turn on the kitchen light, please. The other one. The other one too. The pot lights. Look, that's better. That's a little better. Yes, so not much better. So guys, this is it. Okay. So guys, let me take off the, there it is. Yes, guys, when I think it's the same thing as the 14. Let me see. I'm gonna take the case off my 14. Yeah, same thing. iPhone, actually it's a little bigger, Akon.
Oh.
Look, a little. It's a little bigger, guys. I don't remember what's the size of this one, but it's a little bigger. So, with that said, you guys see what I had in this bag. I'm gonna open the Shein. Guess what's in here? Guys, when we open it, we're not gonna say, you like girls, you know, or you like going so much of that. Anyways, let's open it. Let's open this baby. Guys, oh, I did order something for Promise too. Let me show y'all. Should have brought the scissors. So, I got some elastic for Promise here. Yeah, they're really stretchy. Promise Obi used these on his locks and Promise used these too. So I got some, we call it scrunchy, some hair elastic, and a whole bag of case. Guys, a whole bag of case. So guys, I saw a influencer with this case and I said, when I spend, guys, you spend $70-$80 per case. I'm not doing that anymore. These are all $2. I don't really like this up here. I wonder if it can come off. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this thing here. I'm gonna do it this. No. Let me know, you guys like this? I don't like this part. So maybe I would take that, figure a way how to take it off. But I don't like this part. And then there's this one. It's like a heart. Let me show you. And then there's this. I like this. Do you guys like this? It's in like in a heart. Silver. Guys, guess how much I buy? Guess. Okay, this is the one that I like. This is the one that I think I'll be using. This one without anything. Yeah. Let's try it on the phone and see. Let's try it. You see? Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. I like this one. I like this one. What do you guys think? I like it. Yeah, nice. Nice and cute. Yeah. But there's another one that I really like. And then there's this, guys. Hey, a $20 worth of case. Then there's this one. I actually like this one too. Yeah, I like this. And it comes with some bow something. Yeah. And the Akon, look, you like this case? Very girly, eh? Too girly. So guys, I think this one I really love. Listen, if you know me, let me see. It says, read it. God will never fail you. If you know me, I wish it was white though. Let me see how it looks. God will never fail. It was that and this one. Whoa, hard to come off, guys. So. I like this, see? God will never fail, guys. Here, guys, if you're out there and you're going through it, look, God will never fail you. Yeah, I think I'm gonna keep on this one. I kind of like this one. I really like this one. Yeah, nice and cute. But I also like the bling, yeah. I like it for them. So guys, yeah, so I'm gonna see if I could set this up now. I'm gonna transfer from here to here. Yeah, do some transferring so I can start using this, because I bought it over a week and you have 30 days to return it if there's something wrong with it. So, you know, let me set it up. I ordered the screen protector on Amazon, so that is coming today. Look at it load. Guys, I don't know. Even though I see me act all excited, but I'm not really excited for iPhone, you know. I'm a Samsung girly, but since I started this whole vlogging, and because I use the MacBook to vlog, that's the only reason why I kinda went to iPhone. Yeah, you know, because I'm compatible, it's easy to upload, to transfer pictures to upload my videos. Yeah, so that's one of the only reason why I decided to go to iPhone. But guys, and these two, I will be vlogging with them. Yeah, until me buy the DJI Pocket 3. I am hoping somebody bless me with a DJI Pocket 3. Yes, I wanted DJI for my birthday, Pocket 3, but we never get that. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch for the sale over the holidays. Hopefully I missed their Black Friday sale, so I'm hoping that, yeah, I will be able to buy a vlogging camera like during maybe the over the Christmas holidays. Yeah, but anyways guys, I'm not gonna, you know, stretch this vlog out any further. I'm gonna do all these off camera. I don't want to bore you guys, but guys, thank you guys for tuning in to the Lifestyle with Yoli. And remember guys, if you like it over here, subscribe, man. Subscribe, interact, do the thing, them. Do what you know you're supposed to do. But guys, thank you for your time. Thank you for tuning in. You know I love you all. Have a blessed day.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for free. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say